Hello Year 7 and welcome back to Lesson 5 of Physics for Speed, and today is all about just going through the topic and doing some revision. All you need today is a piece of paper and a pen. If you've got some revision cards handy, that would be amazing. There's nothing to print off, it's all going to be you and this PowerPoint which is on the video. I'm going to go through 4 slides. Now the 4 lessons I've taught you, literally retrieval, practice, make sure you embed them, so quizzing yourself and see you get on. So slide 1, right back to lesson 1, what can you remember about speed? So pause the video, off you go. So check your answers, how'd you get on? If you need a moment, pause now to revise. So lesson 2 was distance time graphs. Pause the video, off you go, what can you remember? How'd you get on, guys? Check your answers now. Okay, again, if you need to, pause the video, do some revision, you're welcome to. Lesson 3 was acceleration, so pause the video, what can you remember? So how'd you get on, guys? Have a look. Out of 4, if you need a moment to revise, go for it. And lesson 4, the final lesson was velocity time graph. So again, pause the video. What can you remember about this lesson? So how'd you get on? Have a look at the answers, compare them. If you need to revise, pause the video, feel free to. So before we get into the main task, you've got a lot of slop to do after last lesson, okay? So check your answers. So slide 1 was this one here. So the 2 answers you should have got on the board now. The second question I asked you was about this graph here. So again, check your answers. How'd you get on? Then I made it a bit harder. So now if you look at the slide 3 with this graph here. So 4 questions to answer. The 4 answers are there. The next slide, again, check your answers. 4 questions, there are your 4 answers. And the final 2 questions, the big questions, Maya's journey was total of 2,500 meters. And the last slide I gave you was about Kia's journey, and he lives 2,200 meters away from school, which is quite close actually. So what I want you to do today is you've got 3 options. As I said, I want you to produce some revision material, something you're going to hold on to, something you're going to value. You've got 3 choices. Either you produce some revision cards using the slides from this lesson, so go back through the video, those questions I've been asking you at the start, make some cards, some quiz cards to test yourself on, make sure you're really hot on it. You can use a revision mind map, so you can make a little revision mind map, linking things together, that'd be amazing, or poster. Or if you want to, you can do some more slops, some more practice, using bite-sized or online resource, or even going through the questions I've given you. So that is what I want you to do in today's lesson. That's all I've got to say, okay? Apart from tomorrow, I'm going to give you the end of unit questions, some practice questions about the whole topic, and we'll see you get on. Okay, so all I want to say is all the best. If you've got any questions, do message me, but see you soon. Thank you.